Wow. Hello everybody and welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we got a special package here. We are unboxing the Ryobi ONE 18 volt 6-piece ultimate combo. You get a compact drill, driver, impact driver, which is it's actually 1600 IN pound torque. You get a saw. Let's see, this kit includes 2 batteries, a charging station, and a tool bag. You get, let's see, there's a flashlight as well. There's just a whole bunch of other stuff you guys can get in this kit. If you're interested in this kit or any of these products standalone, I will have a link in the video description where you guys can find this. Wow, is this powerful or what? And the battery's not even fully charged. Check this out. You pull up and it pops it out. So that's pretty cool. So for this tool, you just simply pull up and take it right out. Let's go ahead and demonstrate it. So just like this. Slowly press the trigger. As you can see, it helps you keep it center. Just like that. The power this thing has is amazing. Just truly amazing. I mean, let's start slow. I'll do as slow as we can. Wow. Okay, we're now going to test out the flashlight. Wow. So this is the flashlight. Up next we got this bad boy. Listen to the power of this thing. Wow. That thing's got some power to it. So that tilts. Why don't we go ahead and put the blade on and test it out. This has to be one of the most simplest tools out there. I mean, it's so simple. So all you do is you lift this up, slide in your blade, press it in, set this back down, it's locked in, you're good to go. It does. Let's try another setting. Wow, look at that. That is amazing. Wow. Just amazing. This thing cuts really well. Wow, let's see. Let's go over here. Give it a shot right here. So it would actually be a whole lot better if I was using 2 hands for a pressure. You know, I'm holding the cam with 1 hand. I wish I could. So guys, my final review. Are you guys ready for it? This tool set gets a 10 out of 10 all day long. An amazing, amazing tool set. Tools work amazing. 10 out of 10. Awesome. If you guys want this, check out the links in my video description. Wow, I am super duper looper impressed. Okay guys, let's see what all we have in here. So, here we have the hand saw. Job Plus, ONE Plus. So you just simply stick the battery in there. It's that simple. It is very nice. Looks like over here we have, okay, so there is a safety feature for this as well. Very nice. Gonna come in handy for around the house, different projects. Here we have a nice saw. Also another safety feature. Look at this. This thing is beautiful, guys. Wow. That's gonna come in handy as well. Very nice. It even has a slot for the tool here, so you can tighten. That is really cool, guys. Really, really cool. You can adjust your measurements, whatever you need to. Here, we have a flashlight that rotates at different angles. Let's get closer so you guys can see this. Look at that. So this is how you hold it straight. So this would be straight. Now you twist it. It could shine out that way. It could shine out that way. It could shine up, left, right, however you want. Simple press button. Even has a spot here you can hang it. Very cool. Don't worry, guys, we'll be testing most of the tools. Oh boy, here we got the big saw. This, I don't know if it comes with any blades because we don't have any blades, but we'll find out. Wow. Again, also comes with the tool. Very cool. Nice slot as well to keep the tool. Wow. Oh, that's simple. Simple pull release for your blades right here. Wow, this is a very nice kit. Good safety features as well. Let's see what else we have in here. So, another tool. So that would be for, let's see, tri-beam LED. Oh wow. That's nice. Left and right. Down here you even have your Phillips and also another tool. So you just simply stick that in there. Got your screwdriver. You're ready to go. And you can simply put it back. That is very nice. Very, very nice. Oh, guys. Oh, we're not done yet. We got one more. One more tool here. Alright, so this goes up to 16 inch, 20, bunch of other different sizes here. Very nice. So what is this? This unlocks. Okay. So that unlocks and then that pulls it. Very nice. Like before, you have, it comes with a flathead and a Phillips as well. We'll show you guys how it works. So that is cool. Alright, so it looks like it does come with blades and everything that you should need. Just different type of things here. So sanding pads, different sanding pads here. So it looks like this would go on here, and then you would put it on like this. So you take your, almost like a triangle, place it on there, and then you can go ahead and sand with this tool. So let's see, a bunch of other tools, little tools in there. So we'll keep that in that bag.